What's up, family? What's up, fam? Bringing it right back. This is the story of a dad and two boys at the beach, just rocking it, super stellar. Where you at, Fabi? Yeah. All right, we're at the beach today. We're gonna practice some soccer stuff. I by no means understand anything about soccer, but I got some video. I missed Favor's practice, but I did get some video. Saw a little bit of what he was practicing, and we're just gonna try to help him get a feel for it. You know, I'm all basketball. Excuse me, I'm all basketball, but we're just gonna get out here and kick the ball around a little bit and just get him comfortable doing that. So, come on, Ani Lou, let's go. Oh my gosh, you see him? He's such a little sucker. All right, so yeah, we're gonna get a little footy of that. Harm's at the house, so it's me and the boys, and we're just gonna kick it, literally. Swim stuff? No, you wanna go in where? The water? Yeah. You don't know what the water's called. Bro, we come to the beach all the time. How do you not know what the water is, family? Oh my god. You're tripping. Straight Chandler. Come on. Come on, we gonna play soccer. Let's do this. Yeah, Ani. Go, Ani. Go. Yeah, run with it, run with it. Run with it. Think of the ocean as your big giant goal, bro. All right, so let's get this poppin'. Jack Harlow style, you know? You dig? Yeah. 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 All right, babe. Let's see those toe touches. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see those toe touches now. Instead of just doing it like this, or you go like this and step. Try jumping. Touch, touch, touch. There you go. There it is. Touch. Good. So. Uh-oh, seaweed. I'm gonna back this up so I can see you. Here we go. Send it. Woo! You did not just get that over the seaweed. Ani, show me some. Show me some. Yeah, spin move. Good. That's good. That's a good spin move. Ooh, actually was. Yeah, you're killing it. All right, let's go. What else did you do at the soccer practice yesterday? You're running and kicking the ball at the same time?
We were getting goals.
Getting goals, right?
In the net.
Okay, I got a good idea. Sorry, go ahead.
Red light, green light with the ball.
Okay, why don't I set up a goal that's over this little ridge right here? We'll make two markings. Boom, there. And here.
Those two goals are fine.
No?
Yeah.
Well, that was too slow. Yeah, Ani! Get him, Ani, get him! Okay, oh, that's a good one. Yep. Big send, big send. That was pretty good. You used to show some pride, but you saw it, the taste of a bitter leaf. Took it all out on me, but I shit threw you and you won't, because I'm in no grave anymore. You used to show some pride, but you saw it, the taste of a bitter leaf. Put it in the circle. Right here, it's right here. Try it. Right there. Good, and go stand on the line. The line's right here. Alright, you gotta sprint as fast as you can and kick that in the goal. Yeah, baby. How about this? While we get a snag, Ani, you can kick a little bit, alright? Boom! Talk to the camera, tell them what we're doing.
We're just getting a snack. We ran down the beach.
And what we do to run it down the beach?
We was kicking the soccer ball.
Green right there? Good. So you want to move it around until you can see your whole head. So maybe like pull it out a little bit. There you go. Now tell them what we did.
we went around in the beach and we kicked the soccer ball.
Good job. All right, so we're taking a little snack break. We're having.
We take a snack.
We're taking a snack. So we're eating a little Perfect Bar. We're chilling. We just got back from running down the beach. We probably like a quarter mile, half mile.
Soccer ball.
Yeah, and we just kicked it as we ran. Are your hands sandy? No. How'd you clean them?
Because I do.
Oh, you rubbed them on your shirt? All right, there you go, bro. Oh, we gotta tone this down a little bit. It's a little bright, huh? We're gonna leave without you. Come on. Finish your Perfect Bar, and then I'll let you get up there, okay? Nom 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 nom. All right, well, let me shut the camera off then, and then I'll put you up there, okay? Okay, that's it. That's the end of our story. Thank you guys for watching. All right, can you say bye, B? Bye, B.
Took it all out of me, but I see through you, and you won't, because I'm in no grave anymore. You used to shine so bright, but you soured the taste of a bitter leaf. Took it all out of me, but I see